Hello everyone, today we have a 2020 Honda Ridgeline RTL-E with all-wheel drive. And that is sounding good, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. See, it does have the fog lights up front, and if any of these LEDs appear to be flickering, that's the refresh rate of the camera. They don't flicker to the human eye. See, it does have alloy wheels. You see also that it does have a tow package. A very versatile tailgate. So this opens like that, so you can actually utilize that trunk, which it's locked at the moment. We'll get that taken care of. And then the tailgate also comes down like this for hauling plywood and such. See, it does have a power sliding back window. Okay, so we'll go ahead and take a tour of the interior. See, it does have black leather seats. And you also see that there are two power sources back there. You can pull this up and utilize this as stowage space. Also have two driver presets right here. There's a shot of the VIN. And I will upload some still photos as well. Okay, we'll go ahead and turn the stereo down so you can hear me better. And you look down here, you'll see it has 13,628 miles on it. Get your paddle shifters. And then your stereo controls. There's your controls for your heated steering wheel. And then you're going to have your push to talk and your cruise control, trip computer toggles, push button start. And as you come over here, you're going to see that it has both front seats are heated, and then you have a 12-volt power outlet and a USB, and then you have your shifter right here, cup holder. There's your key fob, and you see that it does have remote start. And then there are two additional power supplies down there and an auxiliary import right here. As you come up here, you've got your comfort controls, and those are all working great. And you come down here, or up here I should say, and I'm going to go ahead and close up this sunroof so that you can see the screen better because it's very shiny. So if you go over here to sources, you see it does have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and then you do have USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth. So that's how you turn it on and off. Then you can jump over to the map. See, it does have quite a quick computer, and so navigation equipped. You can bounce back over to home, and you see that it does have truck bed audio, which is awesome for tailgating. Okay, and then you also have additional settings through here as well. This is where you would set your camera and vehicle settings as well. You're going to see the backup camera. We'll go ahead and pop it in reverse. There's the backup camera with guides. And then it also has reference to this also in the dash. And then that about wraps it up for this Honda on the interior. Okay. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact up here front and center that ranged from this this passenger front quarter panel to the driver front quarter panel. The airbags deployed, but there was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up, and it has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.